The problems we are tackling through our project is when a particular area is struck by a natural calamity, for example, flood, earthquake, etc. It creates a situation of uncertainty and panic. The rescue workers are not so sure where to drop the required supplies, that is food, shelter and utility equipments, and they also don't know whom to help first. Also, every time a region is struck by a natural calamity, the first thing that goes down is the cellular services, and the people struck there are unable to contact anyone. Our drones will fly in matrix and find a suitable highland to land. From there, they will create a Wi-Fi hotspot. The people can connect to the hotspot, and in their web browser, a link will open up in which they will be required to fill the following details like name, age, gender, their location, and what supplies they need urgently, that is food, water, utility equipments. And if there is a person who needs immediate help, they can also log into that link. This information will be sent directly to a central hub or server from where it will make a spreadsheet about the needs of the people. The rescue workers can access this information and will know where to get the necessary supplies dropped and whom to help first. This will be much time saving and make the rescue mission more effective and more efficient. Components used in a project are battery, node module, propellers, propeller guard, frame, solar panel, landing gears, and a transmitter. The advantages of a drone is that it comes at a very affordable price. Also, if it is damaged, its component can be easily repaired in a few minutes. No such drone have been used till date to provide cellular services in any of the rescue missions held in India before. Our drone has a solar panel without glass shield to minimize its weight and to also power the drone. The current flight time of our drone is 10 minutes, but with further modifications in the battery, it can be increased up to 20 to 30 minutes. Our drone is very stabilized and can withstand strong wind forces.